Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Lola Tallulah, and look what I have here. It has taken months for Tonic Craft Kit to come back in. So, with the whole coronavirus and everything. So this was kit 31, and it was supposed to come out in either March. I think it was either February or March. So we've been waiting quite a few months to get this in due to all this COVID-19 pandemic craziness that's out there. So given that, I hope everybody out there is being safe, that they are taking care of themselves, that things are supposed to be opening up again, but don't go hog wild. Do what you feel like you need to do, but just all be safe out there. So let's go ahead and go with this unboxing. So this is the Tonic Craft Kit 31, and they did a video for it, like I said, back in February or something when it was originally due. I do like their little box thing here. Now I already opened some of these pieces so I could show you without having all the packaging. So we're just going to go ahead and get on involved with what's in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in that big old box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Okay, my light went off. Let me turn that back on. What's in the box? There we go. So, there we go. All right, so we'll just go ahead and talk about what's in this box. First off, they always give you this little paper that shows you whatever came in the box. And then you can just go through it and read it. And also good because then you can go off and check to make sure you have everything you want, or that was supposed to be in the box. So we are going to wait for the dies and stamps till later on. And it was like so long ago that I had to like look at the video 3-4 times to remember what was in here. So let's start with, you get a glitter marker. I'm not sure if I have this color or not. It's Wild Mulberry. And I have used the ones I got in previous boxes. And to me, the glitter kind of rubs off. So I don't know if you have to like heat set it or something like that. But it's still nice when you use it. All right, you have some papers, but we'll do that in a minute. So let's look at the Nouveau Products. You have some glacier paste to use, and it's a hot bubblegum color, I think they said. Yeah. I can't read this. Dude, I seriously need some new glasses. Mambo Melon, that's what it is. Mambo Melon. So you get this little pot. I don't know how long these last because the regular size is large, but I have not used most of these Nouveau products that I have from these kits. I need to, but I just haven't done it. The ones I typically use are these. I do use the glitter drops and the other drops. So you got this purple glitter drop, which is a mini. Then you got a full-size crystal drop, and I believe these are the ones I like the most. These are the translucent ones, I think. I always mix the names up, but so you got that color. Then you got a sprayer. So Mica Mist. I'm trying to read it for you. Grass. So shake it. I've never used one of these. I need to use this stuff. Maybe this summer I'll have time. Then we have some glitter. So you got the Lagoon Luster, which is a pretty color, and it's really fine. So that's interesting. I haven't used that either. And then we have some of these sequins. So hot pink, not too bad. And they are flamingo circles. So not a bad color. Okie dokie then. Let's go ahead and throw that back in the box. Back in the box, back in the box. It goes. Now, you get your sticker. So every time you get this sticker. So this one is Tropical Vibes, which I love this color combination. Love it. So this is going in my planner instead of in this box. Then you have your papers. So you get a 6x6 pad. And it has these prints that are double-sided. I don't know what my thing is. I love polka dots, gingham, whatever. So that kind of has that feel for me for this. So you get that one, and then you get your specialty type papers. So you get this one, which is their shimmery pearly kind. It's double-sided, and this is amazing. This is gold not hieroglyphic, holographic rainbow paper. Fabulous looking, although a whole sheet of that might drive you batty. They've got their regular cardstock, their Craft Perfect cardstock in this, what do you want to call this, raspberry color. This gorgeous color here. You can see all that. Look at that. And then they have this cool printed pattern on here. And then this one, which is like brown, but it has like a purple sheen to it. So that's always pretty. They always do have some fabulous papers. And then, of course, you have your stamps and dies. So, kit 31, which is normally where I would put this little thing here, but I like it so much it's going in my planning. And then you have your dies and your stamps. So, this time, let's do the right envelope. You have your stamps. Summer is here. Summer is about to be here. What? So awesome. And then you have your dies. So these dies are actually like Crafter's Companion edgeable dies. So they don't cut down here. And then they cut the edge. But then there's this piece here that you can place down here to cut this out. So you can just have this one like piece there. And it fits here as well. So you basically have like two edgeables here and then this extra piece that will cut the bottom edge if you actually want to cut it off. And then on this side, you have another one of those type edgeable things. And then you have the piece that'll cut this way. And then you can use the other piece to cut down that way. And then you have two different butterflies. So you've got this butterfly and this one that will both fit on that die here. Like that's the background die. And then you've got this sentiment that's in the middle. And this die will create the background layer for this piece. So that's pretty cool. So that is the Tonic kit for this month. And then they put in an extra little gift because it was so late. So I'll show you what they put in. The last thing they put in was a Tonic apron. So it's that bright orange that they have, that Tonic apron. And I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to get all over the place. But so that was the extra bonus for waiting so long to get the product. All right, I hope that was interesting. And eventually I'll get around to making something with it. This is the last few weeks of school. So, you know, it's hectic already from being online and having to redo everything digitally, but now you're getting to the end of that, plus everything you have to do at the end of the quarter and blah blah blah, then the end of the year, yada yada yada. So eventually I'll get around to doing this one because it will take more energy than just, you know, just because of the type of set it is, it'll take more energy than just like, oh, I'm just going to cut it. All right, so anyway, I'm rambling now, so thank you for watching. I shall see you guys later. Like I said before, make sure you are safe out there, keeping yourself safe. I also put up a video about my upcoming June collab, so you want to check that out. And then like, subscribe, share if you please. Bye.